name is Yayra Agbofa. I'm the founder and creative director of The Revival. The Revival is a community-led non-profit that is focused on tackling textile waste crisis that we are encountering here in Ghana through education, through creating awareness, and through upcycling. About 180,000 tons of clothing is shipped into Ghana annually, and out of that, between 20 to 40% leaves as waste. The challenges that we have here is improper infrastructure or unavailable infrastructure to deal with textile waste. The textile waste crisis has really had a massive impact negatively on our communities because it creates massive pollution, which leads to health diseases like cholera, diarrhea, and the others. When it rains, there's always flooding, and this is as a result of clothes choking the gutters and waterways that would facilitate the free movement of water, and this leads to the loss and damage of properties as well. Economically, it has had a huge toll on our local textile industry. People, a lot of local manufacturers are out of business because there is too much excess of secondhand, and then people just feel like they can buy as much as because it's cheap and there's excess. Also, alongside the price, secondhand is very cheap, locally manufactured clothing are expensive, so then it gives people the option to go more with secondhand, which also leads to overconsumption as well here, which eventually affects the environment. Policy and the industry in general should definitely, it's obvious, like I don't need to say much of it, it's obvious they need to do something about it because the effect is there and we can see it. From the stakeholders aspect of things, I think the business model in fashion the industry needs to change, because the current business model has failed us. That is why that's why we're talking about textile waste. That's why we're talking about our ocean being polluted. We now find microplastics in fishes now, and it's not a good look. It's terrible, and that is as a result of the business model of the fashion industry, trying to find cheap ways to produce and cheap ways to make much more profit, maximize profit, and forgetting about the planet, forgetting about the environment. So it's literally profit over planet. That needs to change totally.